morning. Welcome to the second Earthian Award ceremony. It's a real pleasure to have you. I'll take maybe a 5-minute journey for all of you as to how did we get here. It actually takes me back to perhaps the year 99, 2000, 2001, where after much thought, Wipro decided that we must contribute significantly to some social issue, right? And I'm not going to narrate each detail of that, but then fairly quickly we decided that we must try and contribute towards improving school education and engineering college education in this country. What we saw around us in schools and in colleges, we felt there was a lot that needed to be done. So over a period of 10 years, or for the past now 12 years, we worked on various initiatives, various programs to try and help improve the quality of education across this country. And when I say improve the quality of education in this country, it was something fairly specific. And that specific was, when we think of education, we don't think of education as something where students go and get good marks or get certificates and examinations. We think of education as something which prepares students for life, which prepares students as individuals who fulfill their capacities and as citizens of this world who contribute towards a better world. And that, to our mind, is good education. Therefore, that good education demands not merely the ability to memorize, but actually the ability to think, the ability to learn, the ability to critically examine things. It also demands not merely these cognitive abilities, but social abilities, ethical abilities, ethical development. And that to us is good education, right? That comprehensive whole is good education. And that is what we have worked for the past 12 years, and that is what we continue to work for. About 6 years ago, 6-7 years ago, while our work with school education was going on, 6-7 years ago, we asked ourselves an equally fundamental question, fundamental from our point. And that question was that, do we have a view on, do we think about the issues of environment and ecology? And we debated it internally, we sort of researched it in a sense, and we decided that if education is as important as it is for society, equally important for the future of ourselves, humanity, of Earth, of course, is the environmental and ecological issues. And therefore, about 6 years ago, we started a host of initiatives on making Wipro more sustainable, ecologically sustainable, and working with our suppliers, with our customers, with our employees on the issues of environment and ecology. Now, these were two distinct initiatives: the school education and the engineering college education bit and the environment bit. At some point in time, we started thinking about this, that, well, if you look at environment and ecology, the key, the absolute key, is preparing a citizenry which is far more engaged. And that job is not the job of 1 or 2 years. That job is perhaps that of generations. And what is it that impacts generations? What but education? And therefore, about 3.5 years ago, we started conceptualizing the possibility of bringing our two initiatives together. How do we bring our interventions and initiative in school and engineering college education, or college education, let me call it, and our concern for environment and ecology together? And out of that emerged what has come to become the Earthian program. And I must say that with these 2 years that we've been at it together with you, and many of your colleagues and contemporaries outside this auditorium, we've been heartened. We've really been heartened. This year, we had 2,000 institutions participating in this program. I must tell you that after I finish speaking, we're going to have the award ceremony, right? And the award ceremony, by definition, is about winners. So there are about 22 awards that are going to happen right now. Now, that was one of the conflicts that we had when we thought about this program. And the conflict was that in reality, there are perhaps going to be many, many winners, right? It's not just the 10 and 10 schools here. The 10 and 10 schools and the 10 colleges are outstanding, absolutely. But in our view, all the 1,200 schools and colleges that participated did something extraordinary. And we wish that we could have given awards to everybody. So that there are only 22 institutions here is merely a logistical challenge, and which doesn't take away the credit that all of you have. But we must recognize, and I would wish we would give a big hand to those 1,180 who are not here. Very large momentum. And the momentum, as I see, not only in the context of this particular day, this award ceremony, but the continuous engagement that all of us have, right, with the schools and the colleges and our extremely engaged and extremely capable partner organizations. That really is what is truly heartening. We think that this will continue to grow. I was having a chat before this, before this thing started, and they were saying that it's very nice that the second year is like this. It's big, and so many institutions are engaged. And my first feeling was that something of this nature, we cannot look at it from a 2-year standpoint. You know, all of you students are familiar with the Oscars, right? How old are the Oscars? So anything of this nature becomes an institution after 20, 30 years, right? So I'm sure that after 20, 30 years, perhaps this auditorium will be too small, but this will continue to remain an institution which continues to bring together the concerns of education and ecology, and hopefully we'll build a better future together. Thank you so much.